Everyone thinks the best-selling DA sander is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, ZFE Mini Pneumatic Sander. Let's kick things off with the ZFE 123-inch Random Orbital Air Sander. Priced at $42.49, this mini pneumatic sander caught my eye for its impressive features, especially considering it's a bestseller. If you want a compact sander that delivers professional results, this is worth a serious look. So why should this be on your radar? First off, it runs at a high speed of 15,000 RPM, which means it can tackle tough spots like rust removal or paint prep with ease. It comes with 15 polishing pads and 18 sandpapers, giving you a variety of options for different tasks. The eccentric double rotation polishing method ensures an even finish, something that's essential when you're dealing with bodywork. Now I'll be real with you, some users mention that it can be a bit noisy. But here's the thing, if you're in a professional setting, a little noise is a trade-off for the speed and efficiency this sander offers. So if you're looking for a reliable tool for detailed work, this sander is perfect for you. Skip this one if you need something extremely quiet or if you're just doing light, occasional work. For the price and features, it's a solid investment for any auto body enthusiast. Now, if the noise level concerns you, the next one on our list offers a different approach to comfort while sanding. Product number 2, SSATC Sanding Discs. Next up, we have the SSATC 100 PCS PSA Sanding Discs. At just $21.99, these adhesive-back sanding discs provide great value, especially with 100 pieces included. If you're looking for long-lasting sandpaper that sticks well and gets the job done, this is worth a serious look. These 6-inch discs come in an 80 grit, ideal for various materials like metal and wood. The aluminum oxide material is designed for durability and effective shaping, which is exactly what you need for auto body work. Users rave about how easy they are to apply and remove, ensuring that you can switch discs without hassle. With a 4.6-star rating from 1,000 reviews, it's clear this is a favorite among DIYers and pros alike. However, some users did complain about the adhesive losing stickiness after a few uses. But honestly, if you're using them for specific tasks and then replacing them as needed, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. These discs are perfect for anyone who wants reliable performance without breaking the bank. This is a great choice if you're doing a lot of sanding and need something economical. Skip this if you're looking for something that lasts for heavy-duty, ongoing projects. For the value, these discs are hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility in their sanding tool. Product number 3, SKIL Random Orbital Sander. Now let's talk about the SKIL 5 Random Orbital Sander priced at $32. This one caught my attention thanks to its powerful performance and user-friendly design. If you want a sander that combines efficiency with smart features, this is worth a serious look. With a 2.8 amp motor, this sander delivers 13,000 orbits per minute, making it suitable for a variety of applications. The X-Flow dust collector is a standout feature. It uses cyclone force to keep your workspace clean with an easy-to-empty dust container. The variable speed control allows you to adjust power based on the material you're working on, which is a huge plus if you're tackling different tasks. With over 7,200 reviews and a 4.6-star rating, it's proven to be a reliable choice. However, I did notice some users mentioned that it can vibrate a bit more than expected. For some, this might cause a bit of discomfort during long sessions, but if you're looking for power and dust control, I think it's still a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want flexibility in your projects and a tool that's easy to handle. Skip this one if you're looking for something extremely lightweight. Considering its features, it's an excellent value. Now, if you want something specifically designed for comfort, the next one might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Autolock Pneumatic Sander. Next on the list is the Autolock 6 inches Air Random Orbital Sander, priced at $39.97. This sander immediately stands out for its lightweight design and smooth operation. If you want a tool that combines comfort with efficiency, this is worth a serious look. The low vibration design means you can work longer without fatigue. Plus, it comes with a variety of accessories, including sponge pads and sandpapers, so you're ready to go right out of the box. With a 4.4-star rating from 738 reviews, it's clear that many find it effective. However, some users pointed out that it lacks a dust collection feature, which can be a hassle for cleanup. But honestly, if you're focused on smooth operation and speed, this shouldn't deter you. It's ideal for those who prioritize comfort during long tasks. This sander is perfect for anyone who does a lot of auto bodywork and needs something light and efficient. Skip this if dust collection is a top priority for your workspace. For its price and performance, it's a solid investment. Now, if you're looking for a more comprehensive package, the last product on our list might just fit the bill. Product number 5, ZFE Random Orbital Sander. Finally, we have the ZFE Random Orbital Sander, priced at $39.59. This model stands out for its professional-grade performance and all-inclusive package. If you want everything you need in one box, this is definitely worth a serious look. This 6-inch pneumatic sander offers a high-precision all-steel movement that ensures durability and effective sanding across various materials. It features an integrated regulator for speed control up to 10,000 RPM, which helps maintain consistency in your work. Plus, it comes with a dust bag and multiple accessories, including sandpapers and polishing pads, making it a complete set for any auto body project. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from 2,000 reviews, it's clear that it meets the needs of many users. However, some users have mentioned that it can feel a bit heavy after extended use. That's something to consider if you're doing long projects. But if you're looking for a comprehensive tool that covers all bases, I think it's a small price to pay. This is perfect for anyone who wants a full package for various sanding tasks. Skip this if you're looking for a lightweight option. For the features and accessories included, it's a fantastic value. To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options today. The ZFE Mini Pneumatic Sander for compact power, the SATC sanding discs for great value, the SKIL Random Orbital Sander for versatility, the Autolock Pneumatic Sander for comfort, and the ZFE Random Orbital Sander for an all-in-one package. Each one has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. Happy sanding!